So there's SEO, but there's also things you can do right now to prevent negative impact to that SEO. I'm London, this is Joplin, let's dive right in.
The first thing is to get an SSL certificate. All SSL stands for is Secure Socket Layer. Really what it does is it protects you and your customers' information on your site.
And if you don't have it, some browsers may display that your website's not secure, which is all bad for traffic.
Something else you can do is create your Google My Business listing, which is basically just Google's local business listing platform.
You can register for free, include all your business information, and it's super important for local searches. And it ensures that you show up on Google Maps.
And if you're using GoCentral, you can do this directly inside the product.
And you have to make sure that your website is mobile friendly. If it looks good on a laptop, it needs to look just as good on a mobile phone.
And tools like GoCentral do this automatically, so you don't have to build an entire second site just for mobile.
So to recap, get an SSL, register your business with Google, and make sure your site is mobile friendly. I'm London.
I'm Joplin.
Peace.